Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to convert multiple images to one PDF using Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. Firstly, go to the File menu and click the Automate PDF Presentation and import the image from Browse and select your image and hit open. Now fix the image serial, click the sort by name and click the save. Choose your file destination and give the file name and click the save. You can optimize your PDF from here. You can change Acrobat version, compress, output, etc. Now click the save. Now go to the file destination and check the PDF. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.